Let's be honest, we spend third of our life in bed, yet most of our bedroom look well exactly like a page out of a mass-produced department store catalog. Brand aesthetic boring. But what if your bed doesn't feel like cozy? What if looks like a literal work of art? Welcome back, design lovers. Today we are diving into the ultimate bedroom glow up secret that taking over Etsy and Shopify. Stunning handcrafted crochet bedsheets. If you have been looking for that one statement piece to completely transform your space from basic to breathtaking, you are in the right place. Stick around because by the end of this video, you are going to see your bedroom in a whole new light. Let's start with the crowd favorite, the modern boho chic. If you're aesthetic lean towards earthy tones, pampas, grass, and warm wood accent, a neutral tone crochet bedsheet is your holy grail. Notice how this intricate geometric pattern adds depth without overwhelming the room. Unlike flat manufactured fabric, crochet brings a rich tactile texture that instantly makes a room feel layered and created. Its effortless, it woke up in a boutique hotel vibe. Pair a cream color crochet coverlet with some linen pillow, and you have just created a country you have never want to leave. Now, if you are romantic at heart, this is your next aesthetic is going to steal your soul. Welcome to the world of Decor romance. Think delicate floral motifs, nostalgic granny squares, reimagined for the modern home, and soft dreamy palette pastel colors. These designs aren't just bedsheets; they are family future heirloom. They bring back the warmth of vintage craftsmanship but with a fresh, clean, contemporary twist. Imagine Sunday mornings, a hot cup of tea, a good book, and the soft texture of handmade cotton beneath you. It's pure, unadulterated comfort. A lot of people think crochet is only for maximalism, but look at this. This is a maximalist luxury by using monochromatic tones like crisp, stark white, or a deep, moody charcoal. Add focus the crochet detailing on just a border or a single central pavilion. You get an incredibly sophisticated look. It's subtle, it's quite luxury. It tells anyone who walks into your room that you appreciate fine details and high quality craftsmanship. Without shouting for attention, it's sleek, it's modern, and it's absolutely stunning. Now you might be wondering why chose crochet over standard bedding. First, breathability made from high quality natural cotton yarn. These sheets offers incredible airflow, keeping you cool in summers and perfectly cozy in winters. But second and most importantly, its uniqueness. When you buy a mass-produced bedding, millions of other people have the exact same bedroom. But when you invest in a handmade crochet piece, you are buying exclusivity. No two pieces are ever 100% identical.